Yes, a YouTuber named Merkibrid subjected the Galaxy Z Flip 5 to a week of continuous folding to see when it would break. He started the experiment on July 18, 2023, and folded the phone every few seconds, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The experiment ended on July 25, 2023, after the phone had been folded over 1.2 million times. The phone did not break during the experiment, but it did start to show signs of wear and tear. The hinge became looser and the screen started to develop some scratches. Merkibrid concluded that the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is a durable phone that can withstand a lot of folding, but it is not indestructible. He said that the phone would eventually break if it was folded enough times, but it would take a very long time to do so. Here is a link to the YouTube video of the experiment, https://www.youtube.com/watch. V equals 6/7 sus 7 ta. Here is a quote from Merkibrid about the results of the experiment. Greater than the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is a very durable phone, but it is not indestructible. It can withstand a lot of folding, but it will eventually break if it is folded enough times. I would not recommend folding your Galaxy Z Flip 5 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, but you can be confident that it will last for